I am Dr. Santosh Prabhu, the chairman of WITS Hospitals Kolhapur. WITS Hospitals is a 330-bedded multi-speciality hospital, of which 110 beds is neurosurgery, and we have in 2025 commissioned additional 220 beds, making it a 330-bedded unit. I am a neurosurgeon by profession. In 2020, in the month of April, we installed the Oxair 55-cylinder PSA oxygen plant in our hospital because our hospital requirement at that time was approximately 30 to 35 cylinders per day. As soon as the plant was installed, we had the first wave of corona happening, and the hospital became a corona hospital taken over by the government. The plant began to function on that day and continued for the next 6 months without a single minute's break. So for 6 months, the plant kept on producing to its full capacity of 55 cylinders, and we had absolutely no problem with the plant. In the year 2024, the hospital upgraded and we added another unit, which was originally the hospital was 110 beds, and now we added another 200 beds. So the requirement for oxygen in the hospital went up, and we upgraded the plant to make it a 110 cylinder plant. Since then, the plant is working absolutely fine. It's a lovely plant. The maintenance of the company is superb. There are zero problems with the plant. So I have no hesitation in recommending this plant to anybody who wishes to have this plant installed. One point that I would like to highlight is that using the oxygen plant is beneficial to the hospital in the following ways. It saves power. The cost of using the plant, if you have to use those many oxygen cylinders, the power cost comes to approximately 35 to 40%. So there's a 60% saving on the plant. The second very important point that I would like to say is that the number of people required to change the plants, get the plants replaced, that is completely eliminated. The plant is virtually maintenance free, and nobody even has to look at the plant. It just keeps producing oxygen. So it's a very beneficial thing for any hospital which has a substantial oxygen requirement.